going on, guys? Today I really thought I want to go on an adventure. I've been fishing the same waters and I really want to get back to a place that, yes, I've fished before, but it's almost a 2-hour drive for me, and it's underneath a waterfall. Several waterfalls, exactly. It's the site of Jen's PB. It's the site of lots of cool adventures. Me and Cincy Fish Dudes went there and caught like 50 bass one time. And I figured, you know what? It's the beginning of May. I am ready to see if the bite is happening in these awesome juicy creeks, and we're about to find out. I'm gonna take a waterfall adventure. Let's go. Here at the base of the Waterfall Canyon, we are about to do some fishing. Let's go. Oh ho! Oh, hey buddy. See you, buddy. He just bit the tail and held on. That's how much they want the paddle tail. There we go. Oh man, they're all grabbing a hold of the paddle tail. I might have to switch to something smaller. All right, here we go, guys. We're taking a trip down the gorge. Oh, down this little water run. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Uh-huh. Hopefully this is the juice. Okay, boys, we're gonna work upstream a little bit because I want to get back to that pool right there. So things that I know that are in here. I know there are rock bass, I know there are creek chubs, I know there are bluegill, smallies, and largies. So we've got a pretty good plethora of fish that I know at least live in these waters. This is the site of Jen's PB Smallie. We'll be getting down to that little pool a little bit later. The water is still a bit chilly here. I don't know if these fish are going to be in these little shallower pools, but hopefully we can find some of the deeper pools that they're hiding out in. We know we've got bass upstream already, so that's a plus. And hungry active bass, like they're taking swipes. Oh, all right, let's have a little bit of fun. Look at this. You can look right over the waterfall. Not many places you can do this. Ooh. There we go. Oh, look at that little underground hole there. I'd have more luck seeing if any fishies are down there. Whew. Cool spot. Now these are the kind of spots I like to fish in. This is a cool adventure. This is kind of a one-of-a-kind place for an hour from Cincinnati anyway. Pretty neat. Ooh, let's go over this way. See if we can find. I hear water going this way. Is there another waterfall? Ooh, into a pool. Come on, be a fish in there. Oh, I certainly ain't jumping 20 feet. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I might be able to climb this. Maybe, without killing myself. Oh, there we go. There we go. Look, it's like it was made for me. Little steps. Yeah. All right. Man, this place is cool. There we go. Oh, Smalley. Came out from that big rock. On the Ned. The nub. The nub-a-dub. Heck yeah. We're gonna get a picture of him. All right. First fish on the nub. Let's let him go. Back over there. Well, I kind of figured there'd be smallmouth here. This is the exact site of Jen's PB smallmouth, just shy of 2 pounds. Hoping to get a little bigger one this year, but we know the smallies are here, and there are some absolute huge carp here. I wish I had some corn. There we go, off the bridge.
He can go, and I'm interested that.
Little rock bass. Off the big bridge. On the Helgi. Heck yeah. Look at him. Gotta get a picture of him. How about that? Rocky in the big Waterfall gorge. Not a big boy, but these are fun to catch way up here. There we go. Oh. I had a rock bass on the line and he jumped off at the friggin' bank. Dang it. There we go. Hey. Well, the notorious creek chub. There you go. Little creek chub in the waterfall. On the cast crab slot grub. There we go, guys. Little creek chub. We on. Another creek chubby. Well, another one here under the waterfall. These are fun. A little creek chub this time. There we go. What do we got? That didn't take long. I was walking back to the car. Little baby rock bass. Look at this guy. Whoop, see you, bud. There we go, another. Oh, little baby Rocky. Look at these little pipsqueaks. There we go, this feels a little bigger. Oh, it is. This might be a creek chub, guys. That's a nice creek chub. Look at him. That's like 3 casts back to back to back. Look how red he is. Look at that chubby boy. Let's see how many more down there. There we go. Another. Look at all these fish right here at the last second. Ooh, green sunfish. New species to the board. Heck yeah. New species. Let's take a picture of this beautiful green sunny. See you, buddy. There we go. I saw him come up to the surface and take him. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Another little green sunny. Heck yeah. These little micro fish. This is fun. A little minnow, a little 32nd ounce jig. See you, bud. Well, this was a fun little trip out to the beautiful canyon gorge and the waterfall, catching all these little small microfish. I'll tell you what, I had a blast. I love coming out here, and when the bite is on, when we get a little further in the season, the smallies will definitely show up more than they do today. Hey, fun day. I love catching these little creek fish. Anyway, see you guys on the next one. Later. Well, on the drive home, and you know, I saw a bridge crossing some water that was about a stone's throw away from a little park just behind me. So I parked the car and I figured let's walk to this bridge and see if we can find some bassy boys. Let's go. Well, that bridge did not yield us any bites, but I found some possible juice. Let's see if it works. There we go. I popped him up out of the water and then put him back in the water. And we finally got us the jaw of the small variety. Heck yeah. All right, buddy. Thank you so much. Put you right back. Well, this whole time I've been casting way out there, thinking that's where the fish is going to be, and literally I freaking dangle the lure 2 feet in front of me, and that's where I get the fish. I don't know, I'm going to focus a little closer now and just see what happens. At least we caught one here. At least we caught one here. Oh, there we go. No! That was a much better smallie. Oh, did you see that? God, he jumped right in front of me. Oh, and I'm casting right in front of me and they're right there. They're right there. Dang it. You know, I don't know if it was where I was casting or what I was casting, but I think it might just be the prime time right now because now we are in sunset mode at Alohead Dam and you know it's about to turn on because it's turning on. There we go. There we go. Oh, he's barely on. He's barely on. He's barely on. We got a Rocky. Oh, he just popped out. Check him out, guys. That's what I call... You know what? The evening bite may be heating up on us. All right. Thank you, Mr. Rocky. Well, glad I decided to stop here, but we got a little bit of a walk to get back to the car before we get caught in the dark. So let's go and we'll wrap it up. Well, another successful day on the water. Gotta say, it was a long day today. We definitely put in the grind. It was starting off on the waterfall, and I really expected that waterfall to, I don't know, be a little bit more productive with some bigger fish. And I mean, it was kind of awesome. We caught like 5 fish over that long bridge, like right as we were leaving. I'm happy with the day. We caught a couple here at the Alohead Dam, and that's always fun. Appreciate you guys coming along on this little adventure, and I will see you soon on the next adventure. See you guys.